What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. Before we dive into today's video, I wanted to remind all the viewers that this is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing a fintech organization that offers funding from a minimum of $10,000 all the way up to $20 million with absolutely no hard credit check. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing Clearco. So some of you might remember Clearco actually used to be a company called ClearBank. Now, they really cater to e-commerce online businesses. So a lot of you guys who have an online business, this might be a solution for you. So Clearco is the world's largest e-commerce investor and growth platform, giving founders the financial tools, capital, and network they need to grow. To date, Clearco has funded over 7,000 businesses across 3 continents with over $3 billion plus invested in 25 times more women funded versus venture capital. You can get funded as soon as tomorrow with an AI generated offer between $10,000 and $20 million that you can spend on marketing and inventory to scale your business. Repay only when you generate sales. So unlike a bank where you have to pay back a fixed fee every month, you only repay when you generate sales. If your revenue slows down, so does your repayments. According to Gary Vee, Clearco is a game changer. You don't need to put up your house, drown in credit cards, or give up a piece of your baby to fund ads and inventory. Now, Clearco is supported by a host of different stores and ad accounts, including Stripe, Facebook, PayPal, Twitter, Square, Snapchat, Google, Amazon, Shopify, Pinterest. Basically, how it works is you're going to be connecting your different apps, and we're going to go over some of the different apps that they integrate in, including PayPal, Stripe, Square, Amazon, Shopify, and many more. So once you connect your tools, they measure your growth metrics and monthly revenue, as well as your ad performance. So there's 2 different programs that they have. One that can finance your inventory purchases. So if you have an e-commerce store, and then also for your marketing. So we're going to dive into each of those platforms. Now, once you connect all of your accounts, you can get an offer in as little as 24 hours, a minimum of $10,000 all the way up to $20 million. Now, this works different than having a loan. So it's a unique revenue share model. That means you only pay when you make revenue, unlike with a term loan that has fixed payments. So regardless if your sales go up or down, you still have to pay a fixed amount. With this unique revenue share model, you're paying a fixed percentage of your future sales. So it's a little bit more flexible than, let's say, a term loan, especially if you have a cyclical type of business where your sales might be higher one month versus the next. Clearco offers fast and affordable funding for e-commerce customers, up to $20 million in marketing capital in 24 hours without giving up any equity. Now, they offer marketing capital as well as inventory capital, and they do have a network of other resources that you could tap into. Now, as far as the marketing capital, they're going to be using your sales and marketing data that you've connected to your account. So Clearco will generate potential revenue share offers. As a data-driven company, there are no personal guarantees, and you do not have to give up equity in your business. The advance can be spent like a virtual Visa card and can be used to pay vendors directly through their pay a vendor service. So you connect your sales and marketing accounts to generate offers. Now, here are a list of some of the sales platforms that they integrate with. That includes Shopify, Stripe, PayPal, Square, Amazon, Authorize.net, BigCommerce, Braintree, Cratejoy, Molly, Google Play Store, as well as the App Store. And then in terms of the marketing, so this is going to be Facebook, Google Ads, or even Amazon. So these are the platforms that integrate when it comes to marketing, running ads, and then when it comes to your sales, they can integrate into these different platforms, pull all that data together, and they're able to give you different offers. Now, the inventory financing, the process is going to work very similar to the marketing capital. So the funding can be used to pay for your inventory directly through their pay a vendor service. So in terms of minimum requirements, so currently Clearco is available for e-commerce and consumer software as a service companies. At this time, they are unable to provide capital for service-based, sole proprietor, self-employed, or agency companies. Now, generally speaking, you're going to need at least 6 months of revenue greater than $10,000 per month from your connected sales platforms. You're also going to need to be incorporated. So this is available in Canada, US, Australia, UK, Ireland, Belgium, Germany, Finland, Austria, as well as the Netherlands. All right, so just to recap, Clearco, formerly ClearBank, offers business financing for e-commerce and software as a service business, and they offer amounts from a minimum of $10,000 all the way up to $20 million. And these funds are going to be used for inventory purchases as well as for marketing. Now, there's absolutely no hard credit check, no personal guarantee. Now, the way they evaluate you is looking at your different sales accounts as well as your different marketing accounts. Now, once you plug all that information in, they're able to generate an offer and you could get funded in as little as 24 hours. If anyone is interested, I've dropped a link in the description of the video. Let me know your comments and questions below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.